I understand masala chai is a vibe for a lot of people, and sure, enjoy it. I'm just saying about me, I feel like when I'm having chai, I like to taste the chai. So all the masalas and the adrak and the chai masala and the elaichi, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I don't like it. Hey everybody, I'm Prajakta Kori and I'm going to be talking about all the controversial food debates that we have on the internet. I love Mumbai, but so I'll just say no. For me. But if you like vada pav more than aloo tikki, then I have one spot. So my mama's from East Delhi. East Delhi में कृष्णा नगर में पीछे एक मार्केट है जिसका नाम है लाल क्वार्टर मार्केट. वहाँ पे राजा की दुकान है जिसके गोलगप्पे और टिक्की दुनिया में बेस्ट हैं मेरे लिए. Nothing has ever come close. No, why? I mean, if you put on Maggie and all, though it's a crime. But like with thepla or with like sandwiches, I think fries, ketchup is good. I feel like I'm gonna get some hate for the thepla. No, I like tomatoes. I like it. I think tomatoes should be there in sandwiches and burgers. Good flipping burgers is great. No, it's not. In the world, the best cup of tea I've had in two houses. One is my friend Sudeep Lahiri's house. The other one is my friend Saurav Mukherjee's house. Both Bengali mothers. Sudeep's mama, Sujata auntie, we miss her a lot. She actually taught me how to make chai. And she was very passionate about it. Basically, you boil the water, just the water. And as soon as it comes to a boil, you turn the flame off and then you put your chai patti and you usko ढक दो तुम. मैं तो 30 सेकेंड्स के लिए ढकती हूँ गिन के बिकॉज आई लाइक माई चाय लाइक दैट. बट आप देख लेना एक दो बारी ट्रायल एंड एरर करके व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू. फिर हटा के छान लो. फिर इतना सा दूध और इतनी सी चीनी सो दैट यू एक्चुअली टेस्ट द चाय द वे माई पेरेंट्स मेक चाय. अदरक भी डाला. आई अंडरस्टैंड मसाला चाय इज अ वाइब फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड श्योर एंजॉय इट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग अबाउट मी. आई फील लाइक व्हेन आई एम हैविंग चाय आई लाइक टू टेस्ट द चाय. सो ऑल द मसालाज एंड द अदरक एंड द चाय मसाला एंड द इलायची, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I don't like it. So that is how I make chai. Nobody else in my house likes it. My husband doesn't like it. His family doesn't like it. My friends don't. Nobody likes it when I make chai, which is even better because मुझे कभी कोई चाय बनाने को नहीं बोलता घर पे. Vada pav. I don't know about Mumbai, but in Thane you will find Gajanan Vada Pav, which is very very good. And then in Alibag, in Nagaon, there's a Shivaji Maharaj का statue. It's called Shivaji Chowk, I think. And उस स्टैचू के बिल्कुल राइट साइड में एक ब्लू कलर की गाड़ी है जहाँ पे you'll find the best vada pav. Yes. I don't. Poha as any meal shouldn't be allowed. It was my mother's life mission to get me to like poha. So many years and you know my mother used to do this thing. She's like, आज तेरा favorite बना है poha. So she was trying to brainwash me into liking poha for so many years, but I just couldn't. I'll eat everything else. Can't do poha. And my mother's go-to was always कि अगर मटना सा मसाला टाकला है, which is कि अरे मैंने मटन का मसाला डाला है. तो हर भाजी में चौड़ी is there. मैंने मटन का मसाला डाला है. So as a child, I would do it, and then later I found out, I said, Ma, we have one masala that you put in everything. So literally you in thepla, in paratha also is mutton masala only. Rajasthan. उनकी थाली एक होती है जिसमें there is garlic की चटनी, there's बाजरे की रोटी, there's छाछ. And it's so good. And it's so yum. And it's so filling. It cools you down. The carbs give you like a lot of energy. It goes on all day. I think that's my favorite breakfast. I don't mind dhania. It's okay. I like dhania. I mean, I wouldn't call myself a dhania lover. I'm not a hamster. Like, I'm not just going to eat dhania for lunch, breakfast and dinner. But I don't mind it. मतलब अगर धनिया आ जाए मेरे खाने में मैं उसे निकाल के नहीं करूँगी साइड में मैं खा लूँगी. एक तो first of all, let's stop putting everything in mayo. Momo does not belong with mayo. Sushi पे तो चलो वो QP mayo कभी-कभी Japanese also use it. So I think that's okay. But I wouldn't enjoy it. So no. Between sushi and foods similar to sushi, there's a Korean kind of version of sushi which is called kimbap, which I like more. So if you want to try that out, you should go to this restaurant called Origami. We usually go to the one in Powai, but I think there's also one in BKC. Origami makes really, really good kimbap. Heng Bok makes really good kimbap. And if you want to go for sushi, we really like going to Kuraku in Khar. No, it doesn't. It tastes like mehendi, which is worse. It's so much worse. See, one of my best friends is a huge matcha lover, and that's great for you. But I couldn't stand it. Not with oat milk, not with coconut milk, not with putting lots of dragon fruit and mangoes and things in it. I feel like if you have to add so many things for that to taste good to you, that it doesn't taste good by itself. Why? Don't stop. Why do stop? Like I remember the first time I saw my nani making Maggie with a hing jeera ka tadka. I was like, Nani, क्या कर रहे हो आप? मैगी है. नानी कह रही खा के देख, घी में हींग जीरा का तड़का लगा के नानी ने मैगी का मसाला डाल के मैगी बनाई है. I loved it. मैंने बहुत सालों तक मैगी वैसी ही खाई. I don't think anyone should stop experimenting with any kind of food. You never know. I meet people all the time and they'll give me these really weird combinations of things. Like Taro, who's another very close friend of mine, he eats French fries with ice cream. Now that's a very, very strange thing to do. Muskan also does it. But they enjoy it and I tried it and I don't hate it. So you never know. I don't think we should stop experimenting with it. Like don't make chocolate Maggie and Fanta Maggie and stuff like that. No, don't ditch aloo paratha. See, I think if you need to hack your mind into liking something and getting the nutrition that you need, then you should do it. Like my mother, I would not like eating veggies like every normal child. So the only way mama could get me to eat veggies is, so in Kore's there's this thing, Kore's a lot of people eat it. It's sukkot. Sukkot is basically dried baby prawn. ठीक है, usually क्योंकि जब rainy season होता है, the fishermen don't go to sea because the sea is very like violent, so you can't go fishing. तो उस टाइम पे throughout that time हमारे घर पे सूखे बोम्बिल, which is like सूखा हुआ बोम्बिल, सुकट, all these ये चीज़ें बनती है. Tastes great. So mama would make cauliflower का भाजी, she would make bengan ka bhaji and she would put sukat in it, and that was the only way I would get to eat it. Now some people will think that's a very strange combination, but I love it and it got me to eat my veggies. So if broccoli paratha is what you can do to get your greens in, then do it. I like gobi. Yeah, I like gobi paratha. It does. You go to Majnu Ka Tila, dude, it's the best momo. Kathmandu. Kathmandu has amazing street food. Everything you get there. If you can go, like, obviously momo is a winner, but even if you go and you get like bara, which is like a pancake with meat on it, or you go and get sekwa, or you go and get sale roti, any of these things, oh my god, it's so good. If you like this video, make sure you like it and you share it with your friends. Also subscribe to Tweak India.
Poha cannot disappear from this world. How will Western India get married? How will this Kande Pohe ceremony happen? I agree. I think it is the most not sought after dish on the family table.